Hey guys, Jake here with Daybros RV Sales. Today I'm going to be going over a 22 model, a 295 Keystone Springdale we got in here. Awesome bunkhouse. Starting off going around the outside here, this unit does have electronic stabilizing jacks here. Big pass-through storage up here up front. LED lights in there to make it nice and bright. We did get it with the Lippert solid steps on it here. Oversized grab handle. Come on back here, it's got a nice outside kitchen, suburban cooktop out here, ever-chill fridge. We'll step back, we'll see it's got a nice big power awning here with LED accent lights here behind it. Of course, coming around to the back, it is pre-wired for a backup camera, a plug-and-play system. Also right here handy by your outside kitchen, you do have a spray port. Around here we'll show you the inside. And again guys, this is the 295, a bunkhouse floor plan. So starting off, huge living room here. You do have a nice sofa here that also makes into a jackknife for extra sleeping space. Also, this is your dinette, already folded down to show you kind of how big your bed area is once it is collapsed there. USB plug-ins all over the unit here. Solid one-piece countertops, no splitting or anything like that. Microwave, your gas cooktop here. This does have the new 12-volt, 10 cubic foot refrigerator. Plenty of space in it. Tons and tons of storage all throughout this unit. Real nice bunk beds here, tons of space, and also a nice storage space below it as well. Coming into the bathroom, you got the low profile base, plenty of space in here. Also really neat on this floor plan, you do get a fireplace, heat this thing very well, and also a real nice closet here. Tons and tons of space. Coming into the master bedroom area, plenty of space in here. Also, you do get another closet as well. And guys, this is a 50 amp unit, so you do get 2 ACs, also 200 watts of solar power. Right now, that is what we're running off of. So we're powering the fridge. We can run your awning out, pull your slide in. Very neat trailer here. And guys, again, that is the 2022 Keystone Springdale 295 BH. For any more questions or anything at all, feel free to give us a call at 606-877-1530. Thank you.